Hi aspirants, welcome in Achievers Academy. The upcoming examination is MPPSC 2021, which is very important, and other upcoming examinations are UPSC and railway examination. And you all know that success have no shortcut. So today we start our session with this positive note, session number 7, which is having few current affairs, and we will practice the multiple choice question. So our first question comes here that the following hills are present where Eastern Ghats and Western Ghat meet, and here are the options, and the correct answer is Nilgiri Hills. So you all know Eastern and Western Ghats meet at Nilgiri Hills. This apart, the Biliranga Hills create a forested ecological corridor that connects the Eastern and Western Ghats. And the next question is, which is the principal language of Nagaland? And if you confuse that is it Naga, it's not, it's English. So come towards the next question, and the question is, which among the following is the closest to the meaning of civiculture? And the answer is forest development. It's not cultivation of silkworm. Jayakombandam is the Tamil Nadu is famous for which among the following minerals? And the options are bauxite, lignite, calcite and magnesite, and the correct answer is lignite. And here comes the next question. The following hills are present where Eastern Ghats and Western Ghat meet. And again, this question is unfortunately repeated. The answer is Nilgiri Hills again. And next comes, which of the following is an example of Piedmont Plateau? Piedmont Plateau, and the answer is Malwa Plateau. A Piedmont Plateau has a mountain on one side. Malwa Plateau is a Piedmont Plateau. Other examples of such plateau are Patagonian Plateau in Argentina, Piedmont Plateau in America. And the next question is, which of the following monasteries is also known as Golden Namge Latse? And the answer is Namdo Monastery. Tawang Monastery. Okay. The four options are Hemis Monastery, Tawang Monastery, Bomtila Monastery and Namdroling Monastery, and the correct answer is Tawang Monastery. Comes towards the next question. India is located on the north of equator between which of the following latitudes? Can you guess? And the answer is 8 degree 37.6. India is located entirely north of the equator between 8.4 to 37.6 north latitude and 68.7 south latitude. Kambala sport is held in which state? And the options are Karnataka, Gujarat, Tamil Nadu and Kerala, and the correct answer is Karnataka. Kambala is an annual buffalo race held in Karnataka, also in some parts of Kerala such as Kasaragod, right? And next multiple choice question is, Luni river which originates in Pushkar valley of Aravalli ranges ends in which among the following? And the answer is, it's in the run of Kutch. On which date Indian Constitution was finally signed by the members of Constituent Assembly? And the right answer is 24th January 1950. The Constitution was then finally signed by the members of the Constituent Assembly on 24th Jan 1950 and came into effect on 26th January of 1950, which is celebrated as the Republic Day of India. And next, under which constitutional amendment bill 4 languages Bodo, Dogri, Maithili and Santhali are added in the 8th schedule of constitution? And the answer is 92nd amendment of Constitution of India, officially known as the Constitution 92nd Amendment Act 2003, amended in the 8th schedule of Constitution so as to include Bodo, Dogri, Maithili, Santhali languages, thereby raising the total number of languages listed in Schedule 22. Next, let's come with the current affair that recently a massive glacier burst occurred at Chamoli and Uttarakhand. The exact reason for the burst is not yet known, but the incident was brought the focus again on the dangers of climate change. This incident is also being seen as the Glacier Lake outburst flood. Glacier Lake outburst first is a type of outbursts. Now, thanks all for today's session. Hope you all are enjoying this current affairs session. So, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you very much.